The word blog comes from the words web and log, indicating the origin of this communication medium. Originally, blogs were no more than online diaries. Their creators used them as a way to record their thoughts, to publish photos and comment on anything catching their interest. The increasing use of internet worldwide made blogs extremely popular. At the same time, blogging began to transform. It ceased to be exclusively a form of online diary and has become, most importantly, a powerful tool for citizen journalism. Blogs are now considered to be a main form of mass media. Famous blogs administrators are usually treated like reporters. They're given special passes to events or invitations, and they're generally regarded as members of the journalistic club. How do all of the above relate to enterprise and business? The answer is that a blog can be an excellent medium to attract the target group your business aims to sell your products or service to. No wonder all major companies, and several smaller ones, feature a blog on their website. Of course, corporate blogs have different objectives from one enterprise to the other. Companies should use their blog in order to communicate with their prospective customers. By communication, in essence, we not only refer to a press release or corporate news, but also how the business relates to the consumer. A blog can be much more than just boring number sheets and financial details. A well-designed and high-quality, well-written blog is one of the most valid assurances in regards to our company's image, professionalism, its expertise, and its leading position in its sector. When we publish a really unique article on our blog, we display our deep knowledge of the subject. At the same time, we demonstrate our commitment to present this knowledge in a way that serves and assists the reader. In other words, we make clear that we are oriented or focused to a high level of service. Still, the reason to create a blog is not just for communicating with our target audience. An equally important reason is that blogs are the darling of search engines. As a rule, articles tend to rank quite high on a search engine's results page. Furthermore, the websites that often refresh their content can reach even the top of a search engine's results page for some of the most searched keywords. SEO, search engine optimization, is one of the most important elements of digital marketing. Therefore, in order to strengthen the presence of our site on the web, and in order to appear at the top of Google's results page, it is essential to have a blog with well-written content. Search engines prefer websites that often refresh their content. Publishing articles with new content relative to our business, both consistently and frequently, will make search engines, including Google, pay attention. In the long run, Google's preference and interest towards our site will grow. For this strategy to be functional, our text should contain keywords with relative density. There are no rules concerning the density. As far as the words that interest us occur in our text regularly, the aim is fulfilled. Attention! Under no circumstances should we overpopulate or stuff our text with keywords relevant to our company. If we simply add in hundreds of keywords we are aiming to rank for, the search engines will understand the purpose behind it, and the results will be exactly the opposite of what we aim for, a poorly performing page. Equally important is the use of words that are related to the search term we're trying to rank to. For instance, if we're writing a piece of content on apple pies, the text should then also include the words apple, sugar, water, bakery, bake, oven, pan, etc. These words are associated with the recipe for apple pies, and Google knows that they usually appear in posts related to apple pies. In any case, we must act thoroughly when creating content. We should never write posts just for the search engines. Instead, we should always remember the phrase, "Content is king." This is a very important issue for the search engines, but mostly for the quality of our blog and the image of our company. Our goal when we publish a text is not to fool the search engines. Providing useful information to our blog visitor must be the priority of each and every one of our posts. We want to create articles that are useful to our readers, so useful that they may keep, share, and suggest to friends and colleagues who are interested in finding out more about the related subject. Why is it so important to publish high-quality content? As we already mentioned, it's beneficial for our company's profile. Creating informative and useful content also shows that we know our customers' interests and needs, and also demonstrates our orientation towards quality. Furthermore, the publication of quality content is not just connected with our company profile. The more useful the posts on our blog are, the more sites will refer or link to them. The more sites refer to our content, the more inbound links we receive. More inbound links mean that more people visit our site. At the same time, a search engine's calculation of a site's ranking on their results page is based on multiple factors. The most important is how many sites link to it. Another important factor is whether its content contains keywords that are relevant to the keyword we are aiming to rank for. When the websites that link to our site have similar content to ours, the search engines consider these links even more significant, as they can see the relevance of the inbound link. It's important to stress that everything we post on our blog is not just noteworthy, it must be useful as well.